Welcome back to another session on Rush Art Prep. So our today's session is related to median under continuous series. Okay, so under continuous series we need to apply two formulas. The first basic formula we will be writing it as m equal to n by tooth item, that is size of n by tooth item. To locate in which class the median lies, we will be using another formula which is denoted using capital M, whereas L1 plus L2 minus L1 divided by F1 into M minus C. So here, as we all know, L1 is lower limit of the class interval, L2 is the upper limit of the class interval, and F1 is the frequency of the median class. Frequency of the median class. So median class is nothing but the class where the median lies. Okay, and then here the small m, which is the value of n by 2 that we find out, and the c value is the cumulative frequency of the preceding class. Okay, preceding median class. So wherever you locate the median class, okay, in that median class, the value which is above the cumulative frequency value, that is known as the C value inside this particular formula. So here, as usual, we will be arranging the data, or we will check the data if it is either in ascending or descending order or not. Then we find out the cumulative frequency, and then we will be applying the formula. So let's look at the question. So let's take a look at the question related to mean continuous series. So under this, we will be calculating the cumulative frequency based on the given question to us. So calculate median from the following data: length in inches and frequency. These are the columns which are given to you in the question. So if you notice, you have class interval and frequency column. So it's a indication for you to understand that this particular problem belongs to continuous series. So here, when it comes to the formula, so the formula related to continuous series median is m equal to size of n by tooth item. So let's calculate the total of n first. So n equal to it is 290. Okay, now let me calculate the value here. So 290 divided by 2, this gives me 145th item. Okay, so now to locate this 145th item, it is not possible to see any item which is at least nearby to 145. Let's find out the cumulative frequency now. So CF, the first value remains the same. Then you have 1 plus 14, which is 15, and then 15 plus 35, which is 50, and here 50 plus 85, which is 135, and 135 plus 90, which is 225, and then you have 270, and next you have 288, and the last value we have 290. So if you notice, both of these values are same, which means our cumulative frequency calculation is correct. Okay, and also don't forget to name your table. We will be naming this table as calculation of median. Okay, so now let's apply the formula related to continuous series, which is capital M equal to L1 plus L2 minus L1 by F1 into M minus C. So as discussed, each of these values, we will be first locating the 145th item. So here the value in cumulative frequency should either be equal to 145 or more than 145. So if you notice, up to 135 here, you have everything which is less than 145. So 225 is something more than 145. So we will be locating this as our median class. Okay, so now in this, let's write down the values. So here if you notice, L1 value is 80, L2 value is 100. The corresponding frequency of the median class will be denoted as F1, and the C value is the value which is preceding to the median class inside the cumulative frequency. So here your 135 will be denoted as C. Now let's substitute all the values inside this. So 80 plus 100 minus 80 divided by 90 into m value, which is n by 2 value, that is 145 minus 135. So here 80 plus 20 by 90 into 10. Okay, so here it will become 80 plus 2.22. This gives you an answer of 82.22, and he has given you in the class interval in the denomination of inches, so mention it as inches. So this is how you will be calculating the problem when median continuous series is given to you. So I have made a small mistake here. This isn't mean, this is median. Okay, so this is median continuous series. Let me show you some problems related to practice. So here are two problems related to continuous series median. So your question number 1, if you see, I have written a hint in yellow colored ink. Rearrange the classes in ascending order and then compute the median. So when you move your class interval, along with that you will be moving your frequency. So they move in pairs. So the answers to these questions are given to you in red colored ink. You can solve and check the answers by yourself. So please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Rush Art Prep, and please post your doubts in the comment section and I will get back to you. Thank you for watching.